everyone, in today's video, I'm going to show you simple formulas in Google Sheets for calculation. So let's get right into it. The first formula I'm going to be showing you is addition. In any empty cell, type the equal sign. Now select any cell with a number, or you can type in a number here. Now add the plus sign and click enter. To do subtraction, follow the same process, only instead add the minus sign and click enter. This is the same thing for division and multiplication. The next formulas I'll be showing you are average and sum. To use sum, in an empty cell, type the equal sign, type sum, open brackets. Now select the range of numbers you want to add. I'm going to select A1 to A7. Now close brackets and click enter. It's going to add all the numbers from A1 to A7. To use the average function, type the equal sign and type average, open brackets. Now select a range of numbers again and close brackets. It's going to show you the mean of these numbers from B1 to B7. The next formulas I'll be showing you are mean and max. The mean function finds the minimum number in a range of numbers, and the max finds the highest number in a range of numbers. In an empty cell, type the equal sign, mean, open brackets, select a range of numbers, close brackets, and click enter. It's going to show me the smallest number in the range I selected, which is C1 to C6. In another empty cell, I'm going to type an equal sign. Now I'm going to put max, open brackets. I'm going to select B1 to B5. It's going to show me the largest number, which is 6. The next formula I'm going to show you is the product formula. In an empty cell, type product, open brackets. Now select a range of numbers, close brackets, and click enter. The product function multiplies all the numbers in a range. Another formula I'm going to be showing you is if. I'm going to use this to check if B1 is greater than C1. In an empty cell, type the equal sign, if, open brackets. Now I'm going to select B1 and select C1. Now I want it to return yes or no instead of true or false. So I'm going to put two double apostrophes, yes, comma, and I'll put another two double apostrophes, put no, and close brackets. And since B1 is not greater than C1, it will return no. Finally, I'm going to be showing you how to calculate percentage. Type the equal sign, open brackets. Now I'm going to select 22. Put the division sign. Now I'll select 44. Close brackets. Put the multiplication sign. Put 100 and click enter. It's going to show 50 because 22 is 50% of 44. And those are some simple formulas in Google Sheets that you can use for calculation. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel for more videos like this. Also, don't forget to drop a comment below with any tips, tricks, or questions you might have. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.